it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do Costco Keto grocery haul, getting cheap keto meals and easy keto foods coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. On today's video, I'm going to go into Costco and get my keto grocery haul and have a part 2 with my easy keto food meal prep. So on this video, I'm going to show you cheap keto foods of can I get my Costco foods for $2.75 per meal. I think I can do it. So part 1 is going to be grocery shopping. Part 2, you'll see, is going to be me actually meal prepping the foods that I purchase so nothing goes to waste. We don't want any waste and we want cheap keto foods and keto on a budget. If you love this video, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and to sign up for my free weekly keto emailed meal plan. Hello, it's free. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for it. It's free. It's down in the description link below. Let's go into Costco and let's get our keto foods. So I'm going to go ahead and get the beef patties that are already like pattified. They've already put in the patties. So this is $21 for this whole thing, but these burgers are huge. That is a huge piece of meat, and I'm going to grab one of these too. And I love their seafood section. I'm not going to get any today because I'm going to be doing a bunch of freezer meals, but this is also something when I want fresh fish. I love getting their seafood here. So I love getting the shoulder because it's only $1.99 per pound. It's a great per pound to get volume and good quantity of getting this. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Even though it's $36, this will be tons and tons of meals to help me with my keto on a budget. So I love this aisle, but it's not the best aisle because it's all packaged food. So all of this I can make myself. It's just more expensive. For example, they have a coconut curry chicken. It has added fillers and creepy carbs that can cause weight loss falls. So I'm going to pass on all of these. Even this awesome grass-fed sirloin has fillers into it. So be mindful just to make your own and get the recipes for them. So these are delicious. I'm just not going to get any today because I'm going to make my own, but those are a good go-to, just knowing there's creepy carbs in the spices, but they're delicious. And I'm also going to snag some goat cheese. I love having some goat cheese in salads as one of my cheese. They have a great cheese selection here. It's one of my favorites. And I'm also going to snag some of their Kerrygold cheese. This is priced per pound, not for the block, which I've made that mistake. So you can see on here, it's 2 pounds, so that's going to be $11 for this, just FYI. Look, they have a little cheese board. How cute is that? That is adorable. So I'm not going to get this because it wasn't on my list, but I am fascinated with these. These are already cooked. They're beef sticks, no fillers added, but they're fully cooked. Have you guys tried these? Put in the comments below. I'm curious. I'm wondering if I should add that onto my list next time. I'm also going to get some salami. It is on sale for the time frame that I'm here. Does that say on the date? I'm here. It expires April 7th, 2019. So I'm going to get a pack of the salami also. That will be good. Oh, look, it's 2 packs. Even better. I'm going to snag that as well. So I'm also going to snag some asparagus. It's $5.49. It's not organic, but it makes for a great low-carb food. I'm going to grab this. I was looking for radishes, but I don't see any here at Costco. So I'm going to have to get that at my other grocery store. So another great choice is these grass-fed beef sausages. I'm not going to get these today. Maybe I will. I don't know. I'm still debating. But these are a great choice because they are grass-fed and it doesn't have added fillers in them. So check out the Teton brand. They do have other types of sausages too, but I'm not going to get any of those today. Like even this organic spaghetti squash, you can make your own. $5.25 per pound is way expensive relative to making it your own. This is a simple thing you can easily make into your oven, into your crock pot without having to put a lot of effort into it. So these are another awesome thing if you need something for working out of the home. I'm not going to get any because I got my other cheese and I'll just cut my own. I said cut your own cheese, but you can get your own and cut them, but this is a great alternative if you just don't have time. So I am loading up on spinach and romaine lettuce today, getting in my magnesium and potassium, making sure I get that in and getting tons of it so there's not a shortage. And also I have done other videos and I'll do in my part 2 meal prep how it stays fresh and doesn't wilt easily. Here's the fried cheese. You just simply fry it in bacon grease. I'm not going to get any today, but this is a great option if you're wanting like chips. I make chips out of those and done in other videos. So we're gonna get some more of these guacamole packages. These normally I'd say buy your own avocados, but this is great to have just as something that you can throw into a lunch if you work outside the home, you need keto to go. I like these things. Ideally having a fresh avocado, but just in the interest of what my schedule looks like this week, I'm grabbing a package of these to make sure I have my fats that I can take to go. So I'm gonna snag some strawberries as a sweet treat. As opposed to eating like packaged keto foods, I'd rather just get some strawberries and have these as a sweet treat, a sweet keto treat. Blackberries would be another great keto sweet treat. I don't want these right now. They don't particularly look good. The strawberries look better. Blueberries are the highest of the berry content, so I tend to avoid blueberries and get the blackberries or strawberries or raspberries instead. They do have some great raspberries that are also the $4.99 price. I'm just gonna forgo those today and get the strawberries. So I'm gonna snag some of the organic romaine. I'm gonna actually get 2 bags of these because that's $10 in romaine leaf lettuce, but I'm gonna use it in a bunch of my recipes. I'm also gonna get some spinach too, which is over here, and get some organic spinach as my keto vegetables. They're the lowest carb count, and you can do a lot of different things. You can make a lot of stuff with this. So I like the variation of it. It's $4.49 for a pound of organic spinach, and this was $5 for how many pounds? Let's see here. $5 for 2.5 pounds, so it's a better deal to get the romaine lettuce, and you can use the butts of those in your bone broth. Did you know that? You can combine it in your bone broth. So let me find a good pack of spinach. So are you guys like me? I dig it in the back. I like go to the very back to see if I can get the best date. Let's just check out here the date on it. April 8th, I'm gonna get that one. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this pork loin, they're loin chops. I'm gonna make something awesome with my panko crust for these. So this is definitely a buy I'm gonna get. So they have Pellegrino here on sale. It's the $13.50 for the package, but I can get this for about $14 shipped from Amazon to my house, and I don't have to schlep it. So I'm gonna forego getting this today, even though it's on sale, because I can get it ordered from Amazon. But if you don't have Amazon access, this is valid until April 7th, 2019, where it's $13.50. If you are loving this video, smash that like button and make sure you put Costco Keto down in the comments below so I know to do more videos just like this one. So these are the whole chickens. I love these organic chickens. You can do so much with them, and the meals basically equate to like $1 for organic chicken. I'm using buffalo chicken, whole chicken, soup I make out of it. I can make lots of things with this awesome chicken. So I'm gonna get 4 chickens because I'm gonna be doing a lot with them on this Costco Keto meal plan this time. And this is what the bag looks like, so you can get it yourself, and they're usually $10 per organic chicken, but you can make so much out of them. So next is gonna be the New York strip steaks. I love these. I'm gonna get a pack of these and include these in there. I like the New York steak better than some of the other cuts. This is my favorite also is the ribeye. So I'm off to find some bacon and also some eggs, and y'all had mentioned some cheese wraps, so I'm looking for those too. So here's the bacon. The whole pack is $14 for a big old 3-pack. As I've said on other videos, be mindful of the sugar in your sausage, in your bacon. There's creepy carbs in it, so just be mindful of that. Checking your labels, checking your ingredients. I did not check the ingredients on that bacon. I'm sure it probably does have added sugar, but I'm making a conscious choice to get it. I just want you to make conscious choices too. So I'm also gonna snag some of their sour cream. It's $4 for this huge tub that lasts for forever. So I'm gonna get one of these too. I'm also gonna snag some eggs. It's $8 for 5 dozen cage-free eggs. So I'm gonna get some of these. Oh my goodness, 2 hands for this. So for my keto foods, I've gotten a ton of easy stuff in my cart. If you see in my cart, it's all easy stuff that's gonna take me a few hours to prep, but my meal prep is gonna be easy keto. Like, we don't have time to spend hours and hours in the kitchen, so check out part 2 because you can see how I make all of this. Like, this shopping trip is really simple. I came when it's not busy. Don't come on a Saturday unless you wanna stab your arms. And it makes it really easy to grab massive quantities for a week or 2 weeks worth of food. So a quick thing about Easter, I'm not getting any of my Easter candy. My kids not for the Easter Bunny. We put in a request for the Easter Bunny not to get any candy this year because I can't have it in the house. So I told the Easter Bunny no Easter candy, just strictly get like fun things. We put that request into the Easter Bunny. If small children are watching, we put the request into the Easter Bunny not to have it in our house. These towels I highly recommend. I'm slowly weeding out our old towels and putting these new towels in because they actually wrap around your body. And when you're 6 feet tall, you want some coverage when you come out of the shower. Not that I've just given you a mental picture, but get these towels. They're awesome and they have them in different colors. And they're only, let me see how much they are. They're only $8 for the huge towel, and they're really, really nice towels. So in their book section, they do have a bunch of keto books, which I always love to come check out who's selling. And if Maria Emmerich's in here, I love getting her books. I'm not seeing Maria. Oh, there's Maria's. Hi, Maria. So we've talked about these California, the cauliflower pizza kits. These are technically not keto because the ingredients have dirty ingredients in them. So I would not recommend this the cauliflower kit. I do have a great one I'll put in the description link below that you can mail order that is totally clean, totally good keto ingredients. I totally have to stay away from this section. I love that section. And I end up buying way too much. So I'm gonna stick to budget. I'm gonna go get our meats now and go get all of our delicious food. Or you could always make your own, which is really easy. Make it once a quarter and put it in your freezer.
I'm putting them together to just try and keep.
I feel like I deserve a medal for this expert packing. Look how good that looks. I'm proud of that. That's a winner. Okay, let's do a little price breakdown. I'm gonna go home and show you that so you can see the specific labels and everything. My budget was $200 because this is for my family plus another family for 1 week. So it's really 2 weeks food worth of food, and basically equates to about $33, $35, $30 per person. If you break it down, because it's for 7 people for $236, how much is that per week? Pencils down, Rosen Island. The total is $33.70 per person for the entire week. Woohoo! And it's good stuff, y'all. Did you see what I got? It was really good food. And now I already have like Kerrygold butter, heavy cream, so some of those may be incorporated in. So let's call it $40 per person for the week. Y'all, that's like how much per day? That's like $6 per day. If you include the extra stuff, that is cheap keto and keto on a budget. You do not want to miss part 2 of what I'm making, how I'm cooking it all together. I'm going to use my Instapot and I'm going to use my crock pot to help facilitate this, making this easy, making this totally, totally easy. We do have some steaks also that are going to get cooked that are going to be delicious as well. So that also is incorporated into our food to make it lazy keto and easy keto. Y'all, I'm pumped. This is some good stuff right here. Don't miss what I got. So many of y'all have asked about my t-shirt. I am Countess. It's in the description link below. If you want to be a Countess too and walk around sporting your t-shirt, it holds you accountable. It really does hold me more accountable when I'm wearing my I am Countess t-shirt. If you love this video, smash that like button. Make sure you put Costco Keto in the comments so I know to do more videos like it. And have you gotten your weekly keto meal plan? It is my free gift to the Countess of Low Carb community. I put a lot of blood and sweat into that amazing meal plan, and it's a free resource, so there's no excuse not to be eating keto foods. Check out part 2 in this series, which will be up in the description link below. If it's not up yet, it'll be up the following day, and you can check that out as well. Make it a powerful day. Bye, guys. So this is hilarious. I'm at Costco. I'm doing a big old Costco keto haul, and all of these old people are here. No disrespect to old people, but I'm here at old people hour. It's 10 a.m. and Costco's gonna open in 15 minutes. All of the old people have lined up at the door and they're bucking the system like they're getting in early before 10 a.m. I feel like if I rolled up there, they'd be like, no lady, go back to your car. Like they're letting them, it's like a herd of old people. Again, no disrespect. Like one day I'm gonna be an old person, God willing. Everybody's going in early, but it's not time yet. How are they getting in so early? Oh. A young lady just went over. Oh, I don't want to show what she looks like. She went over, but oh my gosh, they're letting her in. They're all lined up. Does your Costco do that? Do they let the older people in, but the younger people have to wait? I feel like if you live on this planet extra long, you deserve to get to go in Costco early and get the extra samples early. I do. I'm at Costco doing my keto shopping, but look, it's Maria Emmerich. Get her book. It's an awesome keto Instapot book. Go get it. I highly recommend it.